Welcome to the SOFIA tutorial, our specialized software for back-office operations and inventory management, powered by advanced artificial intelligence. Today, we'll explore the Scan and Receive module. This module is designed for intelligent reading of inventory documents, invoices, and receipts, revolutionizing the traditional process of manually entering multi-page invoices line by line. With SOFIA, it only takes a few seconds to read the full invoice and complete about 90% of the work for you. Now let me show you how it works with a real example. We have this sample invoice to demonstrate SOFIA in action. The invoice contains 4 different products, organized in rows. Each row includes the fields quantity, description, item, UPC, unit price, and total. As you can see, SOFIA has already structured all the invoice data into rows and columns. Each row corresponds to a specific inventory item and includes all relevant fields for that product. The first thing we need to do is review the top section labeled Invoice Details. Each field has a small circle in the upper right corner, which we mark once we've verified that the information SOFIA extracted is correct. We verify the invoice number, then the date. Next, we confirm the vendor name. In this example, our vendor is Blue Technology Group, which already exists in our database under ID 3600. We select it, and now we're ready to validate the fields for each product line. Let's start with the first product in the list. I'll quickly explain the buttons you see on each line. The first button is used to delete the entire row, in case SOFIA accidentally captured an extra product. This is uncommon, but it's available when needed. On the right, you'll see Confirm All Fields. If all information for that product was captured correctly, as it usually is, you can confirm everything at once. There are 4 different status types. This first status indicates that all extracted information matches what's already in our database. I'll explain the other statuses as we encounter them. Next, we have the description field with the product name. Within that same field, there's a custom search that lets us validate the item by name, UPC, or item code. We confirm, then move to the UPC barcode, which also has a search option to verify whether the item exists in the store's database, and the ability to edit it if SOFIA made a reading mistake. We confirm again and proceed to the product code. I intentionally cleared it to show what to do in case of a misread. In this case, the field is empty, so we need to enter it manually. We type 0001. If you want to verify it against the original PDF, you can click this button here, confirm it visually, then return. We enter the value and confirm. The next button indicates whether the product is received by unit or by case. We confirm the quantity, then confirm the unit price or case price depending on the selection. Once those values are confirmed, the total is calculated automatically. We review everything and move on. Now, on the next product, we see a status called Vendor Mismatch. This means the product is not currently associated with the same vendor shown on the invoice we're processing. What we need to do is match the product to this vendor, and then it will be fully validated. We confirm each field the same way as before, and then continue to the next product. Another status we see here is Enable Inventory. This status tells us the product is not enabled for inventory tracking. If we click the button, we enable that functionality. Because it wasn't enabled for inventory, it also didn't have an associated vendor, so we match it with our vendor, confirm all fields, and move forward. Now we reach the final product. This status indicates it is a new product and does not exist in our database yet. At this point, we have 2 options. Use SOFIA's intelligent text processing to find similar products, or create a new item and complete all fields directly here without leaving the inventory workflow. Since SOFIA found a product with 95% similarity, what we'll do is tell the system that our product does exist in the database. and it's this one. We select it, enable inventory tracking, and match it to the vendor. We verify and confirm all fields, and that completes the invoice registration process.